What's up, everybody? Johnny here with an unboxing of what has got to be my holy grail. I won an auction from the prop store. It's just an English-based prop auction company, and I just got my shipment today. I'm so excited. We already opened the box to save a little time, but this is how they packed it. A whole lot of peanuts, so hopefully it came nice and safe. It is a prop from The Greatest American Hero, of course. This is my biggest purchase to date. Hopefully not my last one, but you never know. But this is a one-of-one screen-used prop from episode 17 of season 2, Dreams, which aired on March 17th, 1982. In the episode, Pam and Bill are kidnapped by some bad guys who are trying to get Bill, and this is the prop used to do the kidnapping sequence. So there it is. It is unboxed. I just want to do a quick wrap up. I just want to say, like, this is unbelievable. To own a piece of this history of my favorite show of all time is just it's unbelievable. These two little figures in here, these were kind of bonuses. They didn't mention these at all in the write-up. Nothing about them in the description, so that's really cool to get stuff like this. The little Ralph is really, really cool. I have to see if I can figure out what it's from. It's not the Mego figure. He is super glued, so I don't want to touch him too much. But the outfit is all fabric. You can kind of see his face. Like it just looks amazing. This whole thing is unbelievable. I am so incredibly happy to have this in my collection. Thank you to my wonderful wife for letting me buy it. And thank you to all my customers for all the wonderful Christmas tips that are going to pay for this thing. But it's unbelievable. It's just so cool to have something this rare and this amazing in my collection. Shout out to the prop store for putting this on your auction.
It's supposed to do that.
It is. No, it's fine. Look, it's from 1982, from a show that the budget by this point was not as high as it should have been, but it looks amazing. I'm so incredibly happy to have this. I don't even know what to say, but it's so cool. It is so awesome.